Get teached over here, get teached over there. Teached is, get teached as.
My name's Dr. Lisa Schindler. I'm from the Australian Marine Conservation Society and I'm the Great Barrier Reef Campaign Manager.
Lisa, my experience with bleaching is that it tends to make things cleaner, better, gets rid of all the crap. What is this problem with coral bleaching?
So bleaching is very different to bleaching your clothes. When a coral bleaches, it means that they're really sick. What happens is that corals have this really cool relationship with these little tiny algae called zooanthellae, and these algae live in the coral tissue or the skin, and they help give the coral food. So they take the energy from the sun and then they give it to the coral, and then the coral gives the algae a place to live. What happens when the coral gets stressed, so example when heat increases, it gets rid of these algae, and then that means that it makes the coral lose the colour, which is what the zooanthellae give them, is the colour, and they turn white. They can recover, but we need to get the conditions back to what they are. So, if it was heat stress that caused the coral to get rid of the zooanthellae, then we need to reduce the temperature of the water.
Lisa, a bit of a divisive question here. Is there a chance this is just a severe case of marine-based racism and it's really just a media bish-up trying to turn everyone sort of anti-white coral?
Anti-white coral. And the problem with the bleached coral is that once it gets to a point, it's not going to stay white forever. So bleached coral is just that stressed, sick look, and then it moves on to it will then change colour, it will die and it becomes all slimy and even more unattractive. So I'm not sure if it's reverse racism. It's not. It's more about just being concerned for the coral and wanting it to get better rather than progressing down that road.
Lisa, if people want to make a difference, what's the best choice of emoji they can have to assure maximum impact?
Yeah, so the campaign that we're running at the moment is addressing climate change, which is the biggest threat that we have to the environment right now. So while emojis are great and I love using them, they're funny, we really need people to be taking action. And by taking action, I mean actually getting vocal, talking to your local politician, talking to friends and family, and really ramping up and speaking out on this cause, because we really are running out of time on this. And when we have one voice amplified, we can really make a difference and people will listen.
Get teached over here, get teached over there. Click on the link, click here to share. Teached